Hey guys, we're on our 4-channel NVR now from Hikvision, so let's go ahead and show you what DHCP is. So you generally have to have this enabled if you want to go online. So we go to configuration and then make sure you're on expert mode here at the bottom, and we go to network and we click, and we are actually here. So we're on the TCP IP page, okay? So it's the first page under general, under network settings, and we need to click on here, enable DHCP, okay? It's simple as that, just click on apply. And what it has done now is assigned the NVR a local IP address, so we can go ahead and put this NVR online. Alright guys, so this does come preset, but sometimes it might not be on for some reason. If you don't know what DHCP is, you can't get online and this is off, then guys, just trust me, turn it on, okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on another one. Cheers, bye.